Hey guys, welcome back to Horticulture. My name is Laura. Today's episode, we're going to be talking about the aroma-packed reed called ginger. At the end of the episode, I'll also give you a sneak peek on one of George's DIY projects that we're calling the solar kiln. But for now, let's jump in and learn how to harvest, process, and use ginger.
Compared to others, ginger is unique in that the most commonly used part is not what you see above the soil surface, but beneath it. A rhizome is the stem of the plant that shoots out of the bottom of each node and then grows upwards. Think of how Bermuda grass grows, or irises. Typically, this is the main stem that grows horizontally just beneath the soil surface. The rhizome produces the shoot and root systems of a new plant. From one comes many. From a functional and survival standpoint, rhizomes are the energy storage for starches and proteins for the plant as it goes through changing seasons. Ginger is classified as a reed, which is part of the grass family. It's been used for herbal remedies as well as a flavoring agent for centuries. But is that really a surprise? I'm sure most of us have experienced ginger in some capacity throughout our lives. The aroma it puts off is unique and enticing to the senses, to say the least. Multiple articles published in the National Library of Medicine showcase the numerous isolated compounds found within ginger, but many know of its usage for symptoms like nausea and fatigue. Would you be surprised if I told you its biological properties are far more expansive than that? Across the globe, from Thailand to Denmark, India, Australia, Brazil, and beyond, ginger has been used as medicine for migraines, muscle damage, obesity, rheumatoid arthritis, nausea, vomiting, IBS, among many others. Even multiple types of cancer. Most ginger plants reach their maturity within 8 to 10 months. You'll notice the thin bladed leaves begin to appear yellow or even dead looking. That's when you know it's time. These could have probably gone a little longer. We've also been growing ginger using the method of aquaponics. Since we were blessed with many new rhizomes, we decided to show you how we plant those directly into the raised media beds. Also planted the original rhizome and some new ones in pots that we'll keep in the greenhouse. Let's head inside and look at a few ways to process ginger.